Are you ready to embark on your live caricature adventure? Yet you're a bit unsure on how to even set up. Well, you're not alone. This is AJ Jensen with the ToonHeadz, and in this video, I'm going to guide you through the best easels for live caricature. Whether you're gearing up for a festival, fair, event, or party, your setup can make all the difference in how you present yourself as a caricature artist. So first, why is an easel important for doing caricatures in the first place? Well, 1, it's portable and easy to set up at any event. 2, it elevates your artwork, making it easier for everyone to see what you're creating and give people more of an interactive experience. 3, it boosts your professional image, signaling to customers and clients that you are indeed an artist. So with these perks in mind, let's talk about getting started with drawing on an easel. Drawing on an easel does take some getting used to, especially if you're only used to drawing on a flat surface. So you'll need to practice drawing at an angle, which might feel a bit awkward initially. So try some line work exercises, or just sketch for fun, just to get comfortable with the new setup. Now let's explore some of the best easel options for live caricatures. Starting with the Metal Sketch Easel. This is your budget-friendly option. It's durable, lightweight, it does the job, but it's not without its flaws. One flaw is because it's so light, it can easily fall over and slip around on the ground. Yet the biggest con for me is the bar that goes across the easel to hold your drawing board. This board holder attaches by simply slipping onto some screw hooks. While this makes it easy to set up, it also means it's just as easily to slip out, which can result in your drawing board falling off the easel and creating a big mess. And this makes you want to say a bad word or two. However, if you're just starting out, this might be a great entry point. You can find a link on where to purchase this easel in the video description below. So here are the pros for the Metal Sketch Easel. 1, it's a very cheap option to get started out doing live caricatures. 2, it's actually really lightweight and easy to carry around. And 3, it's very compactable, making it more easy to carry around. And now, the cons. 1, since it's so lightweight, it can easily fall over. 2, the legs can sometimes slide around. 3, it's actually a pretty cheap design. 4, the drawing board holder can fall out. And again, this might be a perfect easel for you if you're just starting out doing live caricatures. So let's go to the second easel option, which is
the French Easel.
Now this was my go-to easel for years, and it has some pretty strong features. Yet, there are quite a few setbacks with this easel. One of the biggest pros of this easel is the built-in art supply drawer. It makes it easy to keep your markers, color sticks, and other art supplies stored and accessible. And honestly, I still find myself using this easel just because of that art drawer. Another perk to this easel is the design. This design allows you to fold everything up to easily carry around. And when you set this easel up, it does catch people's attention on what you're actually doing, making it easier for people to approach you when doing live caricatures. Now, with that said, you do need to learn on how to set up the French easel. Now, the biggest con of this easel is its lack of durability. It will wear down over time, unfortunately. In the decade of doing caricatures, I've actually gone through quite a bit of French easels. The legs might start slipping, the tray latches may stop closing, and the back legs might not stay secure. And sometimes, unfortunately, these issues might even start happening right when you take it out of the box. So you may need to be a little creative when fixing these issues. Personally, I've used Velcro, duct tape, screws, molten lava, just to fix these easels. And it seems like the designers of this easel focus more on its appearance than its actual functionality. Another frustrating issue is that the hardware on this easel can easily get lost if you don't tighten the bolts before packing up. And because it's a French easel, all the hardware is in the metric system. Royale with cheese. And this makes finding replacement parts a little tricky to find. Now, to easily purchase this easel, I have left a link in the description for you down below. But here are the pros for this easel. Pro 1, it feels strong and sturdy. 2, it's compactable and has a cool design that people find interesting. 3, it looks professional. And 4, probably the biggest perk of them all, is that art supply drawer. But here is the cons. 1, the parts will loosen and easily get lost. 2, the metric system. 3, the design is a little defaulty. And 4, it just doesn't last, and it will break over time. And now, the last easel option is
the BOB LITE.
Now, this easel was designed by ToonHeadz Co-Owner Bobby Morris, and I'll try to be a little unbiased on this one, but this easel is truly amazing. It's super lightweight, durable, compact, and loaded with features tailored just for caricature artists. Almost every ToonHeadz artist uses this easel for live caricature. One awesome feature is its portability. Everything is detachable and easy to carry around. And despite it being so lightweight, it does feel sturdy, unlike the Metal Sketch Easel. And now, the coolest feature is the 360-degree rotating drawing board. If you need to draw at a tricky angle, just rotate the easel for a more comfortable position. And not many easels allow this drawing board feature. The drawing board also has a lip for holding markers and a built-in magnetic phone charger.
Oh, a phone charger! How neat!
Which is perfect for quick charging and pulling up references for drawing. Just remember that you need to get a power bank if you want to charge your phone. You can even add an art supply tray to this easel. And if you use pan pastels, there is an attachable pan pastel tray to it as well. Now, the only downside to this easel is probably the investment. Now, while it's worth every penny, it might be a little steep for beginners. However, for a seasoned or professional caricature artist, this easel is a perfect choice for you. And for me personally, I do miss that art supply drawer, which I guess I can make a con. Yet the attachables make up for this slightly. So not much of a con here, I guess, but I do need to be unbiased. Sorry, Bobby. And good news, the ToonHeadz is actually selling these easels on our website. You can check the link in the video description below, or you can go ahead and visit www.toonheadz.com/bob-lite to get your own custom Bob Lite easel. So let's go through the pros. 1, it's super lightweight yet feels secure. 2, it's highly compact. 3, it's built for caricature artists. 4, the 360-degree drawing board. 5, it's preferred by the ToonHeadz team. And 6, it has a magnetic phone charger. Come on, that's awesome. Magnetic phone charger. Woo! And now, the cons. Number 1, it's an investment. And 2, there's no art supply drawer. Sorry, Bob, I have to throw that in there. Build an art supply drawer, man. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more ToonHeadz adventures and caricature tips. And this is AJ Jensen, wishing you the best on your art venture. And thanks for tuning in. Keep drawing.